Alright guys, today I am going to show you how to get some fun, vibrant, summer-styled hair with some neon green tips. So to get this look, I'm going to start by bleach washing my ends on my hair. So I'm going to be using Color Zap, which is a color remover, and basically works like a light bleach. And just to get that last bit of color out of my ends to really make sure that neon color pops. So after you just apply the color, you're gonna let it sit, and then once it's done processing, you give it a little rinse and then blow dry. And now I'm ready to start the color process. Today I'm using iroiro, which I absolutely love this color. The texture is amazing and it's harsh chemical free and vegan, and it is so vibrant. I love it. So I used Seafoam and neon yellow. And I'm using the Seafoam as like basically an in-between color from my already blue hair, just to help it blend a little bit better into that neon color. And I'm just going to go ahead and paint the midsection of my hair and any highlights and stuff around my face with the Seafoam color. Now I'm going to start applying the neon yellow to the ends. And this color is so vibrant and pretty. I absolutely love it. So you just go ahead and make sure you saturate the hair as much as possible, and you can even use your fingers to help kind of smush the color into the hair strands. Once you go ahead and finish this process, you can use your hands to just make sure that color is nice and blended so you don't have any harsh lines dividing the two colors, and it has a really pretty smooth ombre. Alright guys, here is the final result. I absolutely love how this turned out. It's so fun and vibrant. I actually feel like it gave my hair a little refresh, made my ends really pop and look nice and shiny. So here is my fun summer neon hair, and I absolutely love it. Of course, everything I used today can be found at your local Sally Beauty, so head to your local Sally Beauty or hit up sallybeauty.com.